3 shanties inside a ground plus 3 structure collapsed in Mumbai's Mankhurd area. According to the BMC, the incident took place in Janta Nagar. The tragedy comes as Mumbai and its suburbs continue to witness relentless heavy rainfall over the past few days. Rescue teams reached the spot and further operations are underway. My colleague Shweta Verma joins on the broadcast to share further details. Shweta, the monsoon continues to inundate Mumbai, but further tragic news is coming in. 6 people have now lost their lives after 2 to 3 shanties inside a ground plus 3 structure collapsed. This adds to the death toll that's already been steadily increasing over the last week, even as there's been no sign of any respite from the monsoons and the rain that is lashing now.
That's absolutely right. In fact, monsoon continues to wreak havoc in the maximum city. And as per the latest, we have been picking up that how 6 people have lost their life after 2 to 3 shanties, ground plus 2 structures, in fact, collapsed in Mankhurd in Jantanagar area. And in the visuals, one can see how the rescue team as well as the NDRF team are at the spot. As of now, it has been seen that the debris is being removed from the spot, but however 6 people have lost their life in this incident, and 3 people were reported to be injured, and they were shifted to nearby hospitals. That's 2 hospitals, one in Rajawadi and one in near Chembur. Currently, we have been seeing that there are multiple cases of tree collapse, and this was the second case, in fact, in 48 hours, where we are given to learn that how the house structure, in fact, collapsed. And clearly, we are seeing that it's been only 7 days, in fact 6 days rather, of July, but as per the average rainfall data, 80% of the rainfall Mumbai has already witnessed what we usually see in the month of July. This has been already stated by the officials. It will be also important to see where are the further route diversions that are being taken place, or what are the measures what BMC as well as other authorities are putting to place as far as monsoon is concerned.
Absolutely, Shweta. Stay on with us on the broadcast as we're tracking some further updates with regards to this tragedy.